Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amiruddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 9. Our today's topic, Chapter 7, Example 2. This is lecture number 39 and HW number 34. Okay, dear students, now let us start our today's class. Here one CQ given and we will solve this CQ. The question is, base of a triangle A equal to 3 centimeter, base adjacent acute angle 45 degree, and the sum of other two sides is equal to 6 centimeter. Now question number 1, express the information of the stem in the picture. 2 number question, construct the triangle. Construction and description of construction are must. C number question, if the perimeter of a square is 2s, construct the square. Construction and description of construction are must. Okay, at first we will solve a number here. Sorry, 1 number question. We will solve now. Express the information of the stem in the picture. In the stem, it is said that the base of a triangle is A equal to 3 centimeter, base adjacent acute angle 45 degree, and the sum of other two sides is equal to 6 centimeter. That means we have to draw total 2 line segments and 1 angle, and the length of one line segment will be 3 centimeter and other line segments length will be 6 centimeter, and the measurement of the angle will be 45 degree. Okay, using a scale and pencil you can easily draw 2 line segments, and which length will be, first line segments measurement is, length is 3 centimeter. And another line segment's length is 6 centimeter. Its name is A and its name is S. This is 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and this is 6 centimeter. Now we will draw an angle which measurement will be 45 degree. At first we will draw here a ray. The name of the ray is BC. Okay, now at the point B we will draw a perpendicular. How can we draw a perpendicular? At first, taking any radius, we will draw an arc here. Then keeping same radius, we will draw another 2 arc. One arc is here and another arc is here. Now again taking same radius, we will draw one arc here and another one arc here. If we join these 2 points, then we will get perpendicular. This name is A. Now this is a 90 degree angle. Now if we draw the angle bisector of this angle, then this angle will be divided into 2 equal parts. That means we will get 45 degree angle. Now how can we divide this angle into 2 equal parts? At first we will draw arc in here taking radius which measurement will be greater than half of this radius. Okay, taking this radius, we'll draw one arc here and another arc here. Now if we join these 2 points, then this angle will be divided into 2 equal parts. That means we will get 45-degree angle. We will give this name is F. Okay, dear student, now CBF and ABF both angles are 45-degree angle. We have already solved a number, now we will solve B number. Sorry, we have solved one number, now we will solve 2 number. Here the question is, construct the triangle. We have to construct the triangle which base is 3 centimeter and the sum of other 2 sides is 6 centimeter and one angle which will be the base adjacent angle and its measurement is 45-degree. Okay, for drawing the triangle, at first we will draw a ray X, EX. This is the ray AX. Now we will cut AB from AX, which measurement will be 3 centimeter. That means its measurement will be equal to A. The name of the point is B. Now we will draw a 45-degree angle at the point A. Here we know that CBF is a 45-degree angle. Its name is X. We are considering the name of the 45-degree angle is X. So if we draw a angle which measurement is equal to angle X, then it will be a 45-degree angle. Now we are drawing an angle at the point A which measurement is equal to the angle X. Now we will take this radius Okay, the name of the angle is XAE. From AE, we will cut a line segment which measurement will be equal to S. That means 6 centimeter. The name of this line segment is AD. Now we'll join the point B and D. Okay, now we have got an angle at the point D, which name is ADB. Now we will draw an angle at the point B, which measurement will be the angle ADB. We are considering the name of this point is C. Now A, B, C is our desired triangle. Okay, here the description of the drawing given, you can learn from here and you will write your copy from here. Now we'll solve 3 number. The question of 3 number is, if the perimeter of a square is 2s, construct the square, and construction and description of construction are must. Perimeter of a square is 2s. We know that perimeter means the sum of the length of all sides. Here the value of s is 6 cm, so value of 2s will be 12 cm. That means the square's all sides length, sum of the length of all sides will be 12 centimeter. Now at first we will draw the perimeter. And the length of the perimeter will be 12 centimeter. It is the perimeter. We are considering its name is P and its length is 2s, that means 12 centimeter. Now we will draw a square which all sides length of all sum of the length of all sides will be 12 centimeter. That means we know that in the square all sides length is same. So if we divide this line segment into 4 equal parts, then we can get the length of each side of the square. So at first we will divide this line segment into 4 equal parts. How can we do it? Taking radius greater than half of this line segment. This is the greater side of the half of this line segment. We will draw 2 arcs, one arc in the upper side and another one arc in the lower side. Now centering this point again we will draw another 2 arc. One arc is upper side and another one arc is lower side. If we join these 2 points, then we can get the midpoint of this line segment. This is the midpoint of this line segment. That means now this perimeter has divided into two equal parts. Now if we again divide these line segments into two equal parts, then we can get 1/4 of perimeter. And in the same way, we can divide these line segments into two equal parts. If we join these 2 points, then we can get the midpoint. This is the midpoint. That means this part is the 1/4 part of this line segment. Now we'll draw a square which all sides length will be equal to this line segment. At first we will draw a ray EX. This is AX. The name of this ray is AX. Now taking the radius of 1/4 P, this is 1/4 of P, 1/4 of P. Now we will take the radius of 1/4 of P. We will cut a line segment from AX and its name will be AB. Now at the point B we will draw a perpendicular. The name of the perpendicular is AE. Now from AE we will cut a line segment which measurement will be equal to 1/4 of P. And its name will be AD. Now taking the radius of 1/4 of P and centering point D and B, we will draw two arcs. These two arcs intersect each other at the point C. Now if we join C with D and C with B, then we will get our desired square. dear the students, now A, B, C, D is our desired square has drawn. Okay, here the description of drawing given. You will learn the description of drawing from here and will write your copy. Okay, dear the students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Now I am giving you SW. This is SW number 34 and topic of SW is chapter 7 example 2. That means our today's CW is your SW. So do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.